Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this easy, cute two-bun hairstyle. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle, and friends, all the products that I use in this video will be in the description box below for you. And now I'm going to create a part using the arch of her eyebrow as my guide, and I'm going to stop that part at about the top of her head. And now I'm going to create another part using about the tip of her ear as my guide, and I'm going to connect this part with the part that I just made, so it's going to make like a L-shaped part. And now I'm going to take this part and I'm going to spray it just a little bit with the spray bottle and make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And then I'm just going to get some of this flaxseed gel that I made and I'm going to put this on her edges. And then I'm just gonna get my elastics ready. As you can see, I'm using 2 elastics, and then I'm just using this soft bristle brush just to smooth out that ponytail before I get those elastics in there. And then I just like to go over it with the comb a few times just to smooth it out even more, and then put that elastic in. And now I'm gonna add my bun maker, and I got these 2 small bun makers from AliExpress. I know you can get them on Amazon as well, and maybe you can get them in stores. I haven't seen them yet, but I'm sure you can. But anyways, I just added that to Sefari's ponytail. And then I just did my best to cover up that bun with the hair. So just spreading it all around that bun. And then I just grab an elastic, and I'm going to put that elastic over that. And then I'm just going to take the hair that is left out and I'm pushing it down towards the side of that bun. So now we're going to create that other bun, and I just sprayed her hair a little bit with the spray bottle, make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And then I'm adding some of the flaxseed gel that I made. So I wanted to show you, I want my ponytail in line with this corner part. So I'm going to try my best to get it in line with that part. So now I'm just using the soft bristle brush just to smooth out her ponytail. And then I'm going to use the comb just to smooth out any pieces that that soft bristle brush couldn't smooth out. And then I'm just adding that elastic in there. And then I'm going to give a couple squirts of the spray bottle, make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And then I'm going to add that other bun maker. And then I'm going to evenly spread the hair over that bun again. And then I'm going to add that elastic over that bun. And then I'm going to take that hair that's left out and I'm just going to put it to the side of that bun. And then I grabbed my toothbrush. I didn't add any more flaxseed gel to it. I'm just smoothing out those edges with whatever was left on that toothbrush. So my friends, another cute, simple hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. Friends, if you like this hairstyle, please give us a thumbs up. You don't understand how much just a thumbs up helps us in the YouTube world. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.